Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these stainless steel cooling baking racks. These are by the Checkered Chef here. All right, let's try to open this up here. So obviously stainless steel are nice and heat resistant, and most people's kitchens have stainless in them, so they're going to match everything else. Okay. And there we have it. These are 10 by 15. So they have little 6 little leg spots there to keep them elevated and away from your counter, so the air can circulate all around and cool evenly. Nice little racks here. I believe they are pretty, not like 100% stackable. Don't take up a lot of room though if you put them in a drawer or something like that, or probably next to a microwave, something like that. But super handy for cooking cookies and things that you need to cool off, and just scrape off your cookies, place them on here, and then you can go back to cooking with your cookie sheets. But super nice here actually. Looks like they'll be really easy to clean. I believe these are dishwasher safe, so just basically a piece of metal here. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching. The squares are a decent size too, not too big, so that if you got gooey cookies, they're gonna fall through there. Should offer enough support for those, but small enough to hold that and big enough so it'll be easy to clean. If it does get stuck on there, you're gonna brush it off there if you don't want to throw it in the dishwasher. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Hopefully it was helpful. Have a great day.